ebusuafo me mamu nyina mu akwaba edeba attention TV so musumfo michitu na me yeden me kasa no na wote me nkan na ete ochina match a edaho between Ghana and Nigeria and no asem na ye ba be pensem musabri ye be hwe how many times a Ghana etimi edifiti Nigeria so ni akwa kotie Ghana for anodisem edefa match a edaho no na ye share statistics edaho ne previous matches ye kira Ghana has beaten Nigeria 25 times in history and they have drawn with Nigeria 19 times and Nigeria has won 12 times but then ye share recently AFCON ya Nigeria was able to move further ahead than Ghana. Intina Ghana for kase per the recent standard no ebe den say Ghana bitimi aden itimi share Nigeria. Wo share said the na Nigeria was able to move forward and Ghana was not able and the new country that emerged in the African Cup was able to beat Ghana. So our players are they good enough? Ebika say emfasule muntali embeka ho. Ebi munso sere yenka say ye pitch no eso enye. Ebi so ka say kotoko yenko yi ye friend say players ni bi free mediama house of kotoko ene ye Premier League players bi. Emfa mbeke ka ho adwenkyere ene sen yenko tie Ghana for anudisem ne yemre sisi ai.
Yo minya be ma michito our studio. Me na probo no ebepie mu e wo Ghana montene so a. Se na wugu so a wo ka no. E for Black Stars World Cup qualifiers wo de Nigeria for ekohie mu wotena e wo Kumase e beba so no. Ana me Ghana for bi no mu ekokasa yenko na ye ne Ghana for ekokasa ne enya omadwo nkyere. E for Black Stars o tena bo a wo kobo. O me disappointing anase o be hye ye ni onyam yenko. Bajo me chia o.
Mejo so.
Bacho ye first.
Tvgh.
Bacho mi se bia e boko.
Nyame adawruma.
Nene attention TV ye bisa Ghana for china World Cup qualifiers Ghana and Nigeria airbo e wo Kumase wadwen kyerɛ wo ho ne sen
ma dwen kyerɛ sɛ Jordan Ayu on bohu nti me ma mo manu for Bobby afi susu no omo ma suru montare Bobby asabaja wa gogo 22 years ago time omo ball World Cup no Roger Miller Obebo 50 minutes per obo go owo share go. Enti omoma suru montare on Bobby experience counts. Our experience essing omo field no so nyina. Enti so about 30 minutes kura po a yepe. Enti omoma nim Bobby.
Yembisa o park na o china ball no ebe koso so no. Wadwen twem no amama bi esre Ghana for wadwen so wo ho ne.
Oh, omo de omo hu na ato wo mo. Omo hu brother. We dey yepe no sa anti omo mbo wo ho. Omo sri Ghana for do. Omo hu na ato wo mo.
Enti kwasensem be na be ka kire Ghana Black Stars.
Oh, omo yiri omo hu. Because omo ta disappoint yen pa. O cha de omo disappoint ya ye re be hu kra double. Enti omo yiri omo hu na omo she Nigeria for at least 2 goals.
Mejo so.
Mejide se bia e boko.
Because Chrome hiding.
But you didn't the same.
Nana.
Okay, Nana Ochna Ghana and Nigeria Bobo Kumase a World Cup qualifiers no. Share selection of team no at all saying.
Maybe Nimpo say Ghana new Bimpo air bobo because he say blast and cry or bobo will be answered. Players now born to cry minimum bia. Namatiani say was a woman drop of friends. Debbie Jordan mo dey say won bon 1 yard and only dey you say we you won film woman can so players na ka say me dey me share any mo bia because blast and once I won 1 yard dey obi ampo obi an interested class o be hwe won ball
me nkofo so ka say anka omunyi kotoko for players ni bi enko kan Black Stars no ho eno so adwen chance
kotoko asset because one me ma yuen say now, we never friend foreign players in the end. Can we groom local players in the crank better? Well, local players, at least they can put on 3 months. Now the ball against any other opposition, they are one performing better. players we are woman Ghana skedia woman boshi.
Iti enkwashe sema na beka che Ghana Black Stars or china wobobo.
Maybe they can honestly I be me they say one be Ghana because so one share Ghana players na one ba one scan one be jedi keke say na say scan what cup no so one ko yahwinti one share one kra no one sign me dey can me interest ni one share Ghana.
Come chiao.
Me juso.
Pache first.
Me di dina.
Okay, anti dina or china Ghana and Nigeria bobo. You share nkofo kasa afa selections no ho so wadwen anyone anything.
Oh, imagine say selection no mu ye ne de ye. Man penifo na nhwe say nya no mu nya bibe mfa.
Yen share enkrashe semben ana beka che Ghana Black Stars or china omokobobo a ye na ye bompa say omu wini na World Cup no mutimi nko.
Oh, de me oka ni say Ghana Black Stars de ye do mo pa. Ba yo mu di akome di agrododo but omu hye tu ne o maye eno ana ye pese omu nya maye
park no so omu bobo no wo so no uni ehu asem bi aka
oh eni die Ghana mpenyifo na ninim de maye nti no de o me bia ye kuremu sa
what your first saying
Femi Albert.
okay Uncle Albert ochina Ghana and Nigeria bobo e wakumate selection of players no oh awadwen kire wo ho ne say
Oh, yeah, the Empire Bonnie say, and Ghana be winning. Blasters need the Akume free with that. But send all my Cassani players no into no. Yes, saying pinning for no, yes, then it's almost the writing. No winning match, my the Yan say, you win.
Imagine just so I was saying, Penophobic has said, when you got a players for be and become Black Stars, no, I didn't show on so anything.
Oh, and they're very important because Okobo Bolu Kumasi. Tianka onya akotoko player ba akubi ka ho anka mura na omo de bedi wechi na Santiman de bedi wechi na anka be strong because no oya Santiman team na say wo anya ni player ba akumpo na say wo de Accra player e be shem na say wo ko no mu hi omo support de awanhwe ni ya wunya
yen hwe park no so to say
oh so far park no so ya try your best the able to me ye wa no nti any park bia o bebia eno an ye wo nti one side no ye wo ne de eno an able to me provide e de ama can say FIFA nti waje atumu de a ye de any problem
and then crash sembe na obeka che Black Stars of Ghana a watchna wo kopie mu wo Kumasi on Nigeria eko edi nhie
me de crash sembe make che o mo an say o mo mfa ne say match we derby ye Nigeria no so o ma ye wo Nigeria jollof Ghana jollof njum to 4 enti omo ne omo beef na ache nkane ya nkra ya beef ho say ye wo kane ache omo enti omo ne omo beef ache enti no players ne mfa nto omo so say match we betumi peja player bi career match we so betumi end player bi career enti wo ye player hu say match we wo boy peja wo career because World Cup no say wo kwa ye plus ma wo player no me nya hwe me dey an say me support wo eno no into players no kwa sha say ma me dey am omo an say omo an determine no omo focus no omo fa victory ne mo omo ho because omo bo am omo ho ene o man no omo nso mo man ni eno an betumi aka
pacha pume
ya mi adumo
pacha odin de say
pacha friend Matthew
okay bra Matthew ochna Ghana for ekobobo ni Nigeria for ne koshia team selection it is like
me hear the Ghana Nigeria be share o be share pa much
and it's now kasa
oh na say when I kasa any place Ghana kasa any place into me hear your team selection oh Nigeria be share
into ni penifo ni bi ya adwen say when yi kotoko players ni bi mbeka Black Stars for
David kotoko players no omo ni adwen opa onfre sa penifo na ye mo free mu no omo kan bo no hu no onyi omumla omeka onu mo ne beboa ba kotoko players ni am omo ni adwen di bo blaster
park na ye de ye ko bo so no eto say fi na countries binin binimu e kasafa
park ndi
Kumasi park na wo ko bo no wo so ochina
na Kumasi de ni Ghana Accra de NF
ntu de ne ne
aka to me de ombo Accra
ntanka Accra na nko ombo ntu Kumasi
de nya
ojide so say ochina Kumasi fans no obi anko sports stadium fi say kotoko player bi ani
o meko ene o meko mi gwa mi nya meko bi
Unyanka beko. Yen she nachi.
Oh, meko.
Nkwasha sembe na obeka Black Stars.
Me ne hwe ka o. Dia mi waka ni say ye be sheye. Nigeria be sheye.
Nigeria be she Ghana.
Yeah,
Ada unya Ghana ni ana.
Ghana ni pure. But Nigeria be sheye. Because of any players. Yeah.
Players nintia. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you doing?
Very well.
What's your name?
Johnson.
This one there, Goliath and David. Okay, tomorrow Black Stars is meeting Nigeria at Kumasi, and let's see what's your take on the selection of the players.
Actually, yeah, I'm not really going through the team selection, but I know Ghana will do a great job in the match too. But I'm backing Nigeria, even though I'm a Ghanaian.
You just said you know Ghana would.
Of course, but I'm backing Nigeria. Wow. I mean, looking at the AFCON, what they played, I mean, they went further than we the Ghanaians. So I mean, I'm with Nigeria.
Okay. Do you have any take on the park that they are playing on tomorrow?
I mean, based on bare grass or AstroTurf. I mean, it's show working, it's the ball. So I don't mean the grass doesn't have a role to play. I mean, it's what you play on the grass, whether sand, whether grass, whether AstroTurf. I mean, play to win. I don't think the grass has a role to play on.
Do you agree with some of the people, the head coaches, or those who are also big in the football team, that they should take some of the Kotoko players and add to the Black Star?
Yeah, after that, I think I really agree with you, because probably we have a lot of talent in the Ghana League, for example. I mean, I don't usually watch the league, but I usually watch highlights. But when I see some of the talent that they have, I mean, they could do their best in the national team, but since the government that we have, we are not able to, I mean, like, take the players from the local, and I mean from our own country, but rather from outside. I think it's not a good idea for us to be doing that.
What will you tell Black Stars?
As in the team?
Yeah, as in the team, advice to them for tomorrow.
They should play well and also play hard, and they should stop I've been hearing rumors about them doing juju and stuff. I mean, they should lean on to God too for their victory too. Yeah, that's what I also say.
Oh, good afternoon, ba.
Apome.
Me adom na so.
Me so me ho ye from say.
Ye from Santos.
Santos. Where Santos ben chewing mana.
Say o Mentos and the Santos, but we dey me nickname, yeah.
Okay, we nickname. Ochina Black Stars bobo na selection of team net or saying.
Match here so hwe dey Ghana be the Jafo.
Adentia.
Oh. Na say ye dom na dey ba no ye kura dom na dey ba nti no.
Dom.
Then ye kika wo ma dey Ghana efu ye kika wo na ya do so.
Onje dey say oni mpenifo ni bi enya adwen say wo say yi kotokofo ni bi beka Black Stars.
Okay, be me so ka me no mo ya adwen sa o. Say nkan dey betima aboa o. Na team na team. Then they are shady echo. Be show, you be show. Kwan bia so be show.
Oh, park no wasem kan.
Oh, park no dey David. Me no wasem bia.
Yeah, okay, so mbobo no.
Yeah.
Nkwasha say me na be catch Black Stars.
Oh, and I can say me mom of him. I am fine say yakwa di nkuku nti no. Yeah. O meet ma share na bisa. Be show.
Mo. Show. Asa of him pound. Ti an shega na fa ye meje de wo.
O mun timi show.
Yeah,
afternoon, please.
How are you doing?
I'm doing great.
Your name?
My name is Abigail.
Okay, so we use the tree fra. Will you be okay?
I'll try.
Okay, so tomorrow, Black Stars and Nigeria is meeting at Kumasi for the World Cup qualifiers. Do you have anything to say about the selection of the team?
Okay, with the team, I think they're okay. I mean, they're not really performing in the African Cup of Nations. Doesn't mean that they can't also do well. I mean, we can still give them a try. They've been working hard. They've been training, and all that. And I believe in them. Okay, we can just give them a try this time. And I believe that they are going to bring the cup home, and they are going to do well, and victory is ours.
Okay. Yes. Do you side with some of the FIFA, let's say the leaders are saying that they should take some of the Kotoko players and add to the Black Star team? Do you agree with them?
Okay. To me, I would like them to stick with the real players because they are experienced. You see, they have been in the field for so long. Okay, so they're going to represent us is far more better than they adding, other people. You see, yeah. So I think I'll prefer the real Black Stars shoot. Yes, yes, please.
So do you have anything to say about, let's say, the park that are going to play on it on tomorrow?
Oh,
because we had people laughing at Ghanaians about the park, and and Ghana, let's say they have to sit down and choose between Kumasi and Accra.
Okay, with the park, you see, Ghana is a developing country. We can't compare ourselves to the Western world, okay? And I think if it can help the game to hold, okay, there's nothing wrong with it, okay? All we need is the performance, yeah, okay? And we are aiming at a wonderful performance and a good result from whatever will be happening tomorrow.
Okay, before we end, what will you tell Black Stars for tomorrow? What support are you giving them from here to Kumasi?
Okay, what I would say is that, I mean, they should up the game. They shouldn't give up, and then they should add more energy to whatever they are doing. They should know that they are standing for Mother Ghana. Okay, yes, and then they should please bring the victory to the house, like home. Okay, yeah, and I would say that they shouldn't be discouraged at all. Okay, yeah, they should give out their best.
Okay. Before we go, let's do one thing. I'll say Black Stars, so say yeah, then you respond. Yeah, yeah. Okay. So Black Stars will say yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Black Stars will say yeah. Thanks for speaking to us.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Okay. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Watch out, Pome.
Nyamiadumo. Now.
Within the same.
Mills.
Mills. Uncle Mills. Ochina, Ghana, and Nigeria, Ashim, Kumasi, FA World Cup qualifiers, no ho. Selection of team, no, why didn't you anything?
Well, for me, dear, me dream say, on say, place na friend no, me share that. Let me flow in the Ghana, or let me flow in the English. You see, some of the players that I'm hearing their names in the squad, actually, I think they are more than we have to. Quality ones, we need quality ones, but ones that I'm seeing, maybe we are going to try our best.
See, do you side with some of the leaders that they should take some of the Kotoko players and add to the Black Stars?
Sure. Yeah, some of them, I think they are doing well in our local league, so I think we have to look up to them. Some of them, not all.
Yeah. Do you have anything to talk about the park that they'll be playing on tomorrow?
Well, actually, for now, I don't know anything about the park, but I think since the leaders have choose that place to be played on, well, we are hoping for good results tomorrow.
What will you tell Black Stars? What, let's say, motivation are you giving to Black Stars?
Well, for now, for all the disappointments they've given to us, we are still giving them another hope. We are giving them another
what?
Disappointment. Yeah, because they are disappointing us each and every day. Look at the African Cup we went. Yeah, like I think we mess up. So we are giving them another chance for them to. Today we need, even if it is 1-0 crowd, we are okay. No draw, we need win. Yeah, we need win.
And before we go, let's do this thing. I'll say Black Stars will say yeah, then you respond. Yeah. Okay.
Black Stars will say yeah. We are going for the victory today.
Thank you for speaking.
Welcome.
It's your idea, BCC. Because Ghana Black Stars will say, no, I just so. Since I want them say, I Ghana for no, Ghana for best no. Aye. And Black Stars will say, yeah. I never say.
Then you end that one. Ibusia enne da ho no obi si onu de e kan no nko ade a said dia Black Stars de Ghana fo adwene di agorache no said dia omode yakoma edi agorache no e ka onu nko ade anka yen hye Ghana ai e ka onu nko ade a yen hye Ghana tio adentina yen hye Ghana ye tie ye friend saying yamani boni Akusha Sparkles nkomo a one abrantie idi ye di odina ka yihu wa wo hwe di odina ka yihu o se ka ono nkwa de anka yen hye Ghana because Ghana no vim nim biem but then in the long run yen ye kurom no mo bobo no so what they say I'm a black man, I'm a Ghanaian, so what you say me ye Ghanaian iti no me asema me ka che Ghana for ni se Ghana mu podina pitch ne so a Muheni na Sam Fire Command with dear group beam. There are one guy be so crack I say we are giving them another chance in our hearts again. They can prove themselves. The day are you is on suspension. And Andre Ayew, it's been announced to say he is corona positive. And then we have people like Thomas Tepate. Yeah, was Samuel Wusuno. So what they say, ye bomba say Utoado be any selections ye. So what I say, or any selections ye. Na technical team, no me sure na technical team no mako for Bruni be na babet. Yeah, into ye bomba say he will think technically. Mr. Man, think technically. This is you are dealing with the hearts of Ghana. Think technically. Nitimibu a team no. So what they say, inti aha ena ebe makwan se mede dwumedi ebe den ebesi ase the PSC enkoma kwa university a ayemye hima ono na osea oyo inti ne se wo pe foundation bi ede usika anase wontobo bia kwa akodom ne ma wode akoma ejanka ne wisia de a ubetimi ene Queen University edi insawoso na bibia esumi so ayeden akode din said ya etie media see the PSC so be ma me camera woman Akosia Sparkles so what I say medamu nyina mo ase bye bye da ofro ye besenhia.